Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update Chrome to the latest stable build and make sure your GPU drivers are current. This avoids compatibility roadblocks. Once done, restart Chrome and keep a browser window open. Next, type Chrome // in the address bar to access experimental features and Chrome // settings to check standard site settings. These first steps prepare the browser to accept changes, and they save time because you won't chase errors caused by outdated software. Now make the concrete changes. In Chrome // flags, enable override software rendering list so Chrome uses GPU features even if blacklisted. This forces hardware acceleration. Then search for Webgl-related flags and enable Webgl draft extensions only if needed for experimental content. After that, open Chrome // settings, go to System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Once these are set, relaunch Chrome from the prompt. This applies GPU-based rendering and activates Webgl support for most sites. Finish by verifying the result. Visit Chrome // GPU and confirm Webgl and GPU rasterization list these features as enabled. Then load a simple Webgl demo to validate rendering. If you see software rendering or errors, clear the browser cache, disable suspicious extensions, and relaunch Chrome. As a troubleshooting tip, if flags broke functionality, reset flags to default, update GPU firmware and drivers, then reboot the system. This usually resolves lingering compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.